Stortz RAU 106. A great deal of our featured tools are made in Germany, and this time we'd like to show you another one. The Stortz RAU 106 is a robust and wear-resistant seam locker that is strong enough to bend the edges of large metal sheets but gentle enough not to leave unsightly damage, marks, or tears in the protective coating. Since the total working width of this tool is 8 inches or 20 centimeters, you'll be able to do more in less time, and because it weighs just 5 pounds or 2.2 kilograms and is around 8.5 inches or 21 centimeters wide, it's super easy to move around with you, even in narrow or less than spacious areas. It's built to reward you with many years of reliable service, and perhaps somewhat surprisingly, it costs just $260. How about a remote-controlled device that'll save you some backache? Stay tuned. Bluetooth version heavy-duty track stair climber, XSTO, CT420SW. Our next pick is from a relatively new brand, but one that has now managed to create this fantastic heavy-duty remote-controlled track stair climber. This sturdy machine is made to assist anyone who has to move large, bulky loads up and down stairs, and one of its biggest selling points is the fact that it can move up to 926 pounds, or 420 kilograms with absolute ease. It's also smart enough to automatically adjust to the specific cargo's gravity center for effortless and steady stair climbing. The built-in self-balancing load platform ensures it will always stay level, and it comes with a final step auto wheel support system that allows it to smoothly transition between stairs and flat surfaces with 360-degree mobility. Finally, the multifunctional smart joystick, one-touch startup, and wireless remote control offers superior convenience and ultra-precise operation. Rest assured, it's enough to turn a nightmare job into one that will barely require any effort from any human workers involved. Talking about no-effort jobs, what if this could apply to your home maintenance? skyVac Commercial 75 Plus Gutter Cleaning Vacuum. The skyVac Commercial 75 Plus Gutter Cleaning Vacuum is the answer to literally every single one of your gutter cleaning related problems. And you now have the option to purchase the new and improved version. The triple motor system with its 3,300 watt setup provides up to 100 inches or 254 centimeters of water lift and an impressive airflow rate. So you can use it at home or for a larger commercial cleanup with equal amounts of efficiency. At just 11.147 ounces or 316 grams of weight per 59.055 inches or 1.5 meters of length. It is also lightweight enough to easily move around with you as you go without causing any strain on your arms or back. Then there's also the compact vacuum head, which aims to maximize drum capacity with its robust filter and protective steel plate that reduces blockages. The patent-protected anti-block hairpin neck design, combined with its powerful performance, makes it one of the best gutter cleaning vacuums you can buy right now. The price comes in at $2,752. A tool that can save your life that fits in your pocket? We have exactly this coming right up. Snagger Tool. We featured a lot of useful and innovative tools on this channel, but the next item on our lineup really stands out. It's a product that has the potential to save lives and even protect property if used by the right people, like for instance, firefighters. The simplicity of the Snagger tool lies in its incredible functionality, but once you see just what it can do, you'll understand why it's so special. It's durable and strong and small enough to fit in your pocket, but it can perform tasks like breaking through windshields and drywall partitions. What's more, it doubles as a key for gas valves in emergencies, helps manage fire hoses, oxygen tanks, and more when there's no other tools available. It can even play the role of a simple hanger for clothes when everything is done. And for all this, you'll only have to spend $65. M18 Fuel Dual Battery Chainsaw. Milwaukee is definitely one of our favorite tool manufacturers, and the M18 Fuel Dual Battery Chainsaw is another great example of just why. This beast of a machine packs a real punch with 70 cc equivalent power, and it's driven by an advanced M18 fuel system that reaches 5.8 horsepower or 4.2 kilowatts in peak power mode, thus delivering much faster cuts with minimal stalling during the toughest jobs. The Power State brushless motor revs up in less than a second and keeps its speed steady, even under heavy loads, beating out both gas and high voltage models. There is also the standard power mode option that runs cooler for longer periods and offers more consistent performance. The RedLink Plus intelligent system feature helps it deliver up to 60 cuts per charge on 10-inch or 25-centimeter hardwood, thanks to things like a balanced ergonomic design, high visibility felling lines, dual metal bucking spikes, and onboard storage. This saw combines power, durability, and control to the fullest extent possible. As a bonus, it's also compatible with over 250 other M18 tools. The kit comes in at a price of $899. If you like tools that combine state-of-the-art tech and heavy lifting, don't go anywhere. Dewalt 20-volt GRABO lifter. The Dewalt 20-volt GRABO lifter is a great way to move heavy construction materials around with little to no effort, since it uses a dynamic electric vacuum pump to lift up to 265 pounds or 120 kilograms of materials and blends this technology with an inbuilt pressure sensor that controls the pump to maintain a secure vacuum grip. Your valuable cargo will always stay precisely where it needs to be. This is paired with features like a bright digital pressure gauge display, an audio alarm for low battery alerts, a double action button for maximum control, and a quick replace foam rubber vacuum seal. This isn't all, since it also has a protective seal cover, a sunshade for improved visibility, a 20-volt max battery with an exceptionally long runtime, and a handy carrying case, battery and charger. This lifter will keep up with even the longest days on site, making tough lifting tasks faster, safer, and a lot easier. All this for a price of only $249. Tolsen Drywall Sander 5 Variable Speed Wall Sander. Tolsen is a respected name in the tool world, and we had to include their 880-watt drywall sander in our list of recommended tools. With an industrial-grade 880-watt power output and CE approval, this sander delivers exceptional performance and speed, and its no-load speed of 1,000 to 2,100 RPM can and will give you a good idea of how it might perform under when working. Higher no-load speeds like 2,100 RPM are effective for tasks that demand speed without giving up control, while the 1000 RPM setting can prevent overheating and improve accuracy for more sensitive materials and surface conditions. Plus, with its large 8.8-inch or 225mm sanding disc and a telescopic shaft that extends from 4.9 feet or 1.5 meters to 7.2 feet or 2.2 meters, you'll easily reach high walls and ceilings. You'll also find yourself appreciating the generous 14.7 foot or 4.5 meter long cable, as well as the bright LED work light and the convenient self-suction dust extraction system. A whole lot more than you thought you would. The entire package includes the sander as well as accessories like 6 sanding discs in various grits, a flexible 6.5 feet or 2 meter tube, and a connection adapter, all neatly packed in a color box. LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry MultiTool. Luckily, there are products like the LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry MultiTool on the market, and after being crowned as a cutting-edge product by the Tree Care Industry Association, it's decidedly become a must-have for anyone involved in firewood preparation or similar activities. The log hauler keeps backaches at bay, while the hollow American steel frame ensures durability through years of use, and the lifetime warranty sweetens the deal that much more. 5 years after its initial release, the manufacturer released an upgraded version and made several key changes to its design to improve its performance. First off, the Easy Grip wooden hauler handle's length was extended to fit larger hands and gloves. Then a new so-called Bigfoot timberjack attachment was added for ground contact for stability on soft ground. One-piece swing lock connection pins replaced the two-piece, two-part clevis, and hairpin connections on the previous version. And lastly, they also added a high-vis blade, orange grapple hook, in place of the old black powder-coated hook. All this made the tool more widely accessible than ever before and ensured customers are never hesitant when making this purchase for $289. Tools that can handle both heavy projects and detailed work are worth their weight in gold, and you'll soon find out why. Dewalt Pex Expansion. Dewalt is the name to trust when it comes to PEX expansion tools, and they have more than enough to choose from, starting with the 20V Max XR, a cordless and lightweight tool that even the pros would feel confident using. This tool is designed to expand 1.25 and 1.5 inch, or 31.75 and 31.1 millimeter PEX pipes, and it is tested to be 20% faster than the competing alternatives on the market. The ergonomic body design optimizes pipe expansions in tough spots, and it's even got an auto-rotating head mechanism. It weighs only 6.5 pounds or 2.9 kilograms. And there are many options like the Milwaukee 2632 M18 PEX expander that may pique your interest. BA200X Arbortech Tools. How would you find a tool that is both strong enough to slice through solid brick, but also has the finesse to handle delicate projects? Like historic building restoration, the only tool we can think of is specifically the BA200X cordless all-saw. This cordless marvel of engineering has many great features that make it ideal for just about any masonry or restoration endeavors. And the best among these is definitely the Quik switchblade system for effortless blade changes. It also has a non-kickback cutting action, as well as a wide range of blade options, and an ergonomic design with a fully adjustable handle and rubber grip. The heavy-duty dust boot provides a significantly cleaner and safer work environment. Finally, since it runs on the Dewalt FlexVolt 54V battery system, you know you'll always have the power you need, and all without any of the constraints of a power cord anywhere near your work area. The kit has a reasonable price tag of $1,799. OLFA BTC1DX. When it comes to multi-purpose tools, the OLFA BTC1DX is one that needs to be at the top of your list. The blades of this tool are versatile enough to be used as a scraper or as a knife, and the fiberglass reinforced handle ensures comfortable use. The adjustable head is able to pivot 180 degrees, so no spot will be too hard to reach. The body is acetone resistant in order to withstand the tough conditions of a workshop, and it's got a convenient hang hole for quick storage. The tool comes with a blade cover for peace of mind when it comes to the safety of your fingers, and it's even able to apply various scraping power levels. All this for only $19.99 is a steal. Roofers, listen up. We have a tool coming up on our list that you can get things done in a third of the time it would normally take. Stay tuned to find out how. Vertex Laser Geo 2. Let's move on to another great tool. This time it's one that's sure to impress anyone who needs to measure large distances as part of their work, but also anyone who's a fan of laser technology. The Vertex Laser Geo 2 is a groundbreaking device that merges laser and ultrasound technology to deliver precise measurements in various environments. So whether you're working in open spaces or dense forests, the Vertex Geo can seamlessly switch between laser and ultrasound modes for the absolute best accuracy on the market. With it, you can measure just about anything and everything, from distances to tree crown width and height. And you can even confidently assess potential risks like tree falls and power line interference from a safe distance away. It outputs a measuring range of up to 2,300 feet or 700 meters. And what's more, lets you easily transfer your measurements to a computer for further analysis. But the price tag is currently higher than most would like, at around $3,125. ETANCO Quick Drive. Our next amazing tool is aimed specifically at roofers, and it not only promises to help them get things done in a third of the time it normally takes, but it has the power to make even the heaviest of tasks require the least effort possible. That should be seen as very good news for the entire industry, because as long as workers have access to tools like the Quick Drive from ETANCO, which transforms any standard screwdriver into a high-speed panel installation machine, there will be no complaints or delays on projects anymore. Even waterproof panels are easy to set up. Maintenance is minimal, there's no need for extra lubrication, and its intuitive interface means both seasoned pros and newbie installers will be able to work with it with equal amounts of ease. The curved loading guide allows for incredibly fast tape insertion, and this particular model can work with fasteners ranging from 1.75 to 3 inches, or 44 to 76 millimeters in length. It sells for a reasonable $149. MODbox Wire Dispenser. The MODbox Wire Dispenser is part of the Klein Tools MODbox mobile workstation, and it's a truly essential product for everyone who is sick of the constant fight against tangled wires and cluttered tool storage. Each dispenser can hold up to 500 spools of 10 AWG wire inside, and adding extra spools is possible and easy with the help of the through-hole conduit system, which secures them firmly with connectors. Plus, the added rubber plugs are designed to provide the extra support and stability sometimes needed for heavy spools. The manufacturer has also done a good job by placing the wire guides right in front, ensuring a snag-less operation, while the wire captures will help to prevent any unraveling between poles. Since it's been made to offer nothing but effortless convenience, the lid stays open for easy vertical sealing pulls, and the built-in side rails offer a fast route and full access to all your most frequently used tools. It could be yours for only $145. For projects involving bottle cutting and more, not all tools are equal, and our next tool will prove exactly why. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 6-inch Random Orbital Sanders. Technicians now have the luxury of being able to own a tool made specifically for them, and it's this wonderful tool from Milwaukee. The company has created these tough and hard-working orbital sanders to make the punishment of just about any sanding and shaping job, and user reviews have been nothing but positive. Customers rave about several of its incredible benefits and features, including how easy it is to operate, and how its perfect weight balance makes it so easy to work with for long periods of time without causing hand strain. It works incredibly well around corners and tight spaces, and the M12 Red Lithium high output CP 2.5 battery pack lasts through a good part of the day for filler work, while the variable speed control adds even more convenience to an impressive package. What's more, the brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence will provide consistent power, even under heavier than normal loads. The comfortable grip and tool-free backing pad change make everything that much easier. And to top everything off, it's even been backed by a 3-year limited power tool warranty for only $449. Kinkajou Wet Sander. You might be under the impression that all wet sanders are basically the same, but the truth is, there are a lot of differences between them, and you might end up facing disappointment if you don't know what to look for. An issue is that crafting with cut bottles can be tricky, especially when it comes to getting smooth, even edges. But the Kinkajou Wet Sander is the solution to just about every issue you might find yourself dealing with. It's designed to tackle all the most challenging aspects of bottle cutting, and it helps you achieve results with the precision of a master craftsman. It almost magically transforms rough edges into immaculate, high-quality smooth finishes. And the tool is ideal for using in just about any upcycled projects, from glassware to decorative pieces and more. The specialized wet sanding technology also helps to minimize dust and heat, thus making your sanding experience safer and cleaner. And the exceptionally user-friendly way it has been made also ensures that anyone, regardless of experience level, can use it to its full potential. You can now pre-order yours for $199. SpheroPlane Arbortech Tools. With the SpheroPlane from Arbortech, no one will ever need to use a lathe or any other power tool to carve perfect spherical wooden bowls or balls again. The Australian-made SpheroPlane is made to be fitted to any standard angle grinder, and it comes with an adjustable carving radius for both large and small projects. It has the ability to work alongside the Arbortech Power Carving Unit and any standard 4.5-inch or 115mm and 5-inch or 125mm angle grinder. Features like the adjustable carving radius, which allows you to fine-tune your carving size with an adjustable collar, while things like the patented cutting action technology supports smooth, omnidirectional carving for a polished and even finished look. The full surround guarding reduces kickback and gives you much more control over your project. The SpheroPlane also seamlessly transitions from carving to sanding. The handy dust and chip extraction help keep your workspace cleaner. Its precision machine billet, aluminum construction, and rotatable and replaceable tungsten carbide teeth means you'll be using it for many years and even more projects. So why not make the investment today for $279? A simplistic attachment that makes your life easier can never be turned away, so keep your eyes peeled. Milwaukee Pipeline Inspection System. Milwaukee just can't make a bad product, and their high-functioning modular pipeline inspection system is a classic case in point. By using cutting-edge HDR self-leveling camera heads, the system allows you to see deeper and clearer than ever before, even in dark conditions. It can also use 4x digital zoom and pan across the image to pinpoint specific details, and it displays the pitch on the screen for highly accurate diagnostics. The M18 500GB control hub runs on powerful M18 red lithium batteries, and in turn controls the reels, stores recordings, and easily swaps between different camera reel sizes. Plus, with full wireless connectivity, you can capture, create, and also share your findings directly from the monitor or any mobile device. The reels are durable and flexible, and also suitable for small and larger pipes, since they come in various push cable stiffness and lengths. Milwaukee added even more convenience in the shape of an internal backup battery, allowing you to change the batteries during live inspections without the risk of losing the recording. Prices start at around $8,000. Ribbon bead nozzle. Amazing tools don't always have to be expansive and complicated, and this ribbon bead nozzle from Albion is a really great example of just that. Just attach it to any standard caulking gun, and you'll be sailing through all your sealing jobs at a speed similar or maybe even faster than anyone with a trowel could ever hope to achieve. In the end, this tool will have saved you not only a huge amount of time, but also money, since you won't have to spend more than $12 for all this quality and convenience. You can also customize the standard 2 inches or 5 centimeters strip width to up to twice its preset size by trimming and adjusting the bead. This gives you even more control over your application and possibly even makes the entire process more economical and efficient all at once. FoxAlien Masuter Pro. Next up in our collection, we have the FoxAlien Masuter Pro, a CNC router machine that will be the ultimate solution for carving and cutting everything from wood and nylon to MDF and acrylic. The Pro version has been upgraded to boost improved stability and accuracy. It's fully aluminum for undeniable durability, and both the home and emergency stop button are conveniently located. The control box was designed to be dust-proof, as well as easy to maintain. The main parts of this machine are pre-assembled, and the rest will only take you a few minutes. The engraving area is an impressive 15.75 by 15.75 by 2.36 inches, or 400 by 400 by 60 millimeters. But this can be extended if needed. What more could you need? The price is a reasonable $649. Splitting wood is no longer a backbreaking task. Stay tuned to find out how to make this a reality for you. FLINT SPANMESSER. Now it's time to move on to the amazing FLINT SPANMESSER, the next best thing since the axe, and the ultimate piece of kindling machinery designed for a lifetime of use. The reason behind this wood chopper's incredible longevity is its durable cast iron construction, and it is made to help you effortlessly splint firewood up to 13 inches or 33 centimeters in length. This tool prioritizes safety, unlike traditional axes, meaning it's both super simple and low risk to operate. It works like a charm for splitting the most common types, including spruce, pine, and birch. And you can mount it on any concrete wall. The $117 kit is going to have everything you need, including screws, plugs, and a drilling template. Easy Change Plumbing Wrench. This wrench is the only one you ever need to buy for all your faucet and sink related plumbing jobs, and it will not only replace many of the tools you have right now, but also become one of the most useful you have. With its specialized cubicle insert, long reach handle, and compact body, it's designed to tackle those awkward, hard to reach areas. The unique cubicle insert also fits most standard under-sink nut sizes, making it perfect for working on tab nuts, mounting nuts, and fittings. The cube-shaped insert side turns hard to reach angle stops without the risk of damaging the chrome, and other features like the open slot that gives easy access over existing supply lines. The wrench has a leverage-enhancing strainer, basket attachment for stubborn fittings, and holding drain units in place. And its multifunctional design and the built-in wrench all help make it even more appealing. One end handles the strainer basket installation and removal, while the other fits common hex nuts. And the entire tool is made out of high-strength materials with metal inserts, so it won't bend or break. You can expect to pay around $125 for this tool. BOLTZ Mini Portable Mini Electric Tool. Anyone who has ever had to tinker around with or repair very small gadgets and machinery knows that you often need several very specialized tools to actually get through it. And so, we have decided to show you the BOLTZ Mini Portable Mini Electric Tool, the tiny solution to your tiny needs. This compact modular tool is designed to fit perfectly into your toolbox, bag, or even onto your belt. And it's supplied with high enough torque power to drill holes, sand wood, or work with bolts. It comes with a set of swappable bits for any project you have lined up. On top of that, it has a built-in magnetizing function that keeps your screwdriver bit magnetized with just a few shakes. And there's an included canister case for storage of up to 10 bits. If you're someone that needs more storage, you can upgrade to a larger version. Plus, the handle house battery is rechargeable, so it's always just a click away from starting. The price tag starts at $49. The ability to cut through anything on the job site with ease is not to be underestimated. Stay tuned. Makita 18-volt brushless compact 76mm cutoff saw. Makita tends to be a bit of a trailblazer when it comes to new and improved tool technology, and this 18-volt brushless compact cutoff saw shows just how dedicated the company is to keep up this tradition. It's remarkable how many features they managed to cram into this one tool, and also unsurprising why they claim it will redefine efficiency, safety, and versatility in the workshop. thanks to an innovative set of ultra-sensitive active feedback sensors. The cutter instantly shuts down all wheel rotation in case of a kickback, and the electric brake system provides immediate stopping power. The anti-restart function helps prevent any accidental startups, so you are never in any danger of losing control. And then there's also its impressively high-speed cutting power of 20,000 RPM that makes cutting through metal, masonry, and plastics ridiculously easy. Its wear-resistant patented XPT technology helps shield it from the effects of excessive dust and moisture. And by adding all these features together, you're left with a cutter that is worth the price of $118 and the hype. Tornado, EBAT, and REN. We continue our product selection with this high-performance, battery-powered, lightweight vibrating screed. It's made with a built-in, height-adjustable, foldable handlebar and integrated stop switch, and it's one of the best alternatives to the traditional, noisy and gas-powered screeds in circulation right now. First off, you can use the screed to create a perfectly flat, level concrete surface at just about any time of the day and on practically any site without worrying about gas emissions or noisy operations, since it's completely noise and fume-free. Secondly, you will work without any interruptions thanks to the powerful and easily removable 14.5 amp hour battery, while the convenient battery charge level display will make sure you always know how much time you have left. The entire thing is also built with a high-strength aluminum frame that provides enough support for the engine, and perhaps best of all is the fact that it requires zero maintenance, no need for spare parts or waste cleanup, just reliable performance every time. To get one of your own, you'll need to spend $1,872. Minova Vibrating Wire Saw. Next up, we have an impressive product from Minova, a professional-grade vibrating wire saw that won't weigh you down with a whole bunch of bulky, tangle-prone power cords. It gives you the freedom to cut through a wide range of insulation boards, thick or thin, and it can handle anything from mineral wool, boards to foam, glass, rubber, and a whole lot more. At the same time, the saw also allows you to fully control the angle to make cutting even easier and more accurate. Changing the wire saw is also incredibly simple and can be done without any additional tools. And because it's been crafted out of a lightweight aluminum frame, it's not only strong, but also stable and easy to move around. We guarantee you won't regret adding this to your tool collection for roughly $985. Knipex Ratcheting Stripping Knife. If you had enough of having to saw through tough-as-nails cable sheets with inferior tools, the Knipex Ratcheting Stripping Knife is just the thing you need. With its ultra-precise guide shoe and ratchet function, even the most stubborn sheaths can be sliced through with the least amount of effort and without damaging the insulation underneath. The knive's design is also clever and ergonomic, as the added thumb rest helps control the pressure for lengthwise cuts, and the comfortable handle strengthens your grip while also reducing fatigue. Plus, the 3-stage blade locks in place for super secure blade positioning and even safer transport. The blade itself can be adjusted to 4 different positions, and the knife is sold with a replaceable sickle-shaped hook blade and an angled blade perfect for rounder cuts. To make it even more appealing, the manufacturer created it to be compatible with Knipex's tethered tool system, so you can use it safely when you're working at heights. You can expect a price of $112 for this tool. Zezo Wire Mag Puller. On your screen right now, you can see the Zezo Wire Mag Puller in action. If you've ever had to awkwardly fish for wires through walls and floors, you will probably be able to tell just how much easier it can make this daunting prospect at just about every step of the way. The Zezo has been equipped with a dynamic magnet combo that works on floorboards, drywall, and even 1-inch or 25mm thick frames. Thanks to the clever and unique pebble-like shape of the scalp magnet, it can maneuver around just about any obstacle that gets in the way of the wire, including pipes and conduits. Another great fact is that it costs only $50, so you can get this incredibly useful tool for less than the price of an expensive lunch. Makita MacTrack Rolling Tool Chest. According to Makita, the manufacturers of the MacTrack Rolling Tool Chest, their creation is the future of modular storage systems and will permanently change how you transport, access, store, and organize all your equipment. Its novel horizontal design is engineered to store lengthier tools and equipment. Not only this, but it makes getting to them as easy as possible, and it fits underneath a truck bed cover. It has a more than generous holding capacity and a weight limit of 250 pounds or 113 kilograms directly equates to a more impressive storage system for all your gear. Makita also added a host of other useful design elements like a durable impact-resistant copolymer construction, all-terrain wheels, a spacious interior, a removable lid, premium glove-friendly latches, large and retractable handles. It also has several lid mounting points, a MOLLE panel driver, storage tray for batteries and chargers, and a hidden security tracker slot, to name just a few, which should give you an idea of just how well thought out this product is for a price of $249. The bright yellow aesthetics of our next tool will grab your attention, and its cool features will keep it. Stortz has really outdone themselves with their latest creation, and it's even set to be their largest 240-volt or 110-volt forced action mixer yet, as well as the biggest available on the market right now. Its bright canary yellow color is not the only standout feature of this impressive machine, because it also has the power to prepare 32 gallons or 120 liters concrete mix in just 5 minutes. It can process multiple different materials, including tougher epoxy-based repair compounds, and it offers easy handling, a perfect balance point, and the ability to change the mixer systems without using any extra tools. Since it weighs in at only around 231 pounds or 105 kilograms, it's also surprisingly portable thanks to a compact design and sturdy wheels. The tool will set you back just a little over $400, $458 to be exact. Makita Multifunction Weeding Attachment, WA400MP. Now we look at the multifunction powerhead weeding attachment from Makita, the perfect device for everyone who wants to improve the health of the soil in their garden. With this powerful weeding gadget, you can easily turn over and work the very important top layer of dirt, as well as get rid of weeds right at their roots. This tool helps the soil retain and allows more good things like nutrients, water, and air. Some of the key features of this attachment include the compatibility with UX01G, DUX60, and DUX18 powerheads, and 3-stage adjustable blade angle, and the versatile blade options. Moreover, this tool is known for its ergonomic form design, ease of use, and complete compatibility with up to 18 different attachments. The interchangeable blade means you can work on basically any terrain, and there's a counterweight mechanism for added comfort. The lever lock enables quick installation and replacement, and the standard blade covers a wide 7.87 inches or 200mm working width, with optional 6.69 inches or 170mm and 3.15 inches or 80mm blades, offering a deeper 1.97 inches or 50mm working depth. The price comes in at $324. Doberman Circular Saw. Here we have a tool that definitely deserves a spot on our countdown, the classic circular saw, and this time it's a mini, one-hand operation model from Doberman. At just 8 pounds or 3.5 kilograms, it's more than capable of slicing through everything, from wood to metal and PVC or tiles. If you decide to add this saw to your collection, you'll also receive a full set of accessories, including 6 blades, 4 at 4.5 inches or 115 millimeters, and 2 at 4.7 inches or 120 millimeters, all in a $64 package. It should, however, be noted that the saw's cutting depth is somewhat limited to 1.7 inches at a 90-degree angle and 1.4 inches at a 45-degree angle, but regardless, it's still an impressive tool. Tiling is a job that can always be made easier, so check out the next tool on our list for exactly this purpose. MLT system. Tile spacers have often been overlooked in the past. They're mostly just unseen, quiet helpers, making the installation process as pain-free and accurate as possible. But the new tile spacers from MLT are worth a little bit more of your attention, and there's a few very good reasons why. The MLT system lets you create incredibly thin tile joints, as small as 0.01 inches or 0.5 millimeters, whether you're working on floors, walls, or ceilings, and you'll only ever need the 3 reusable components in this kit for almost all your projects. What's more, you have the option to purchase the MLT gun for even faster installation. And for around $800, you'll get the gun plus a sturdy plastic box and nearly 1,000 MLT elements. Hageloff Mantax Black. If it's not obvious, then let us inform you that not all calipers are made to be the same, neither in quality nor purpose. If you've been considering buying a new caliper or have been wondering which type would be best, then the Mantax Black from Hageloff is a pretty good place to start looking. This aluminum mechanical diameter caliper, with its patented folding jaw design and exclusive dual-sided printed scale, is both simple to use and very reliable, and it's available in several models, with lengths of 20 to 40 inches or 50 to 100 centimeters, with the lengthiest version coming in at a price of $233. A few select models are even compatible with gatorized laser pointers, and the ergonomic design is optimized for all-around comfortable handling, especially for those with larger hands. Plus, it comes with an anti-reflective coating to prevent glare and make it easier to read the scale. Works Cordless Inflator. The latest addition to the already impressive PowerShare line of battery-powered tools in the Works Cordless company is a multi-function inflator. This incredibly robust machine can handle most household chores, as well as heavier construction-grade work, and it comes equipped with several standout features and a powerful 150 PSI pump. You can now inflate, blow, monitor pressure, and illuminate your workspace, all with one tool. The LED light also doubles as an SOS emergency light for added safety, while the pressure monitor accurately displays tire pressure and lets you preset your desired PSI, so you can inflate even smaller items, like balls and toys with ease. The pump even promptly shuts off once it reaches the preset pressure, and because it is completely fueled by a rechargeable 2 amp-hour battery, there's no hassle of dealing with cords and outlets. For $90, you get the complete package including the inflator, battery, charger, and all the necessary attachments. These tools will definitely change your day-to-day working experience, but we have more coming right up.